Here at ESCO, we understand that securing packaging job approvals can sometimes be a long, drawn-out, and even downright frustrating process. Approvers often find it difficult to visualize how their 2D design will look once it has become a 3D reality. While for designers, gathering and interpreting all that feedback from a number of different stakeholders can be a real challenge. In today's high-speed and time-sensitive business environment, these issues can lead to lengthy and costly delays in the production process. And that's why ESCO has introduced Share and Approve. Share and Approve is a unique new tool that enables users to upload, share, view, review, annotate, and approve packaging and labels jobs in both 2D and hyper-realistic 3D. The single, simple online tool is cloud-based, just a subscription to access the service. Share and Approve allows packaging designers, pre-press professionals, and converters to instantly create 3D pack mockups based on their actual 2D artwork, even for packaging concepts with special print effects and embellishments. The software has a super easy user interface. There are just 4 clicks involved in uploading the sharing files for approval. As well as being massively user-friendly, Share and Approve boasts a range of unique packaging inspection tools, handling everything from measurements, deep zooms, separations viewing to barcodes and even braille reading. So what does this all mean? Well, in real terms, Share and Approve has been found to increase job approval speeds by up to 3 times when compared to traditional processes. Approval loops are completed in a matter of days instead of a few weeks, and brands and their supply chains can operate more efficiently. With the speed and complexity of packaging management today, ESCO Share and Approve makes a tangible difference to anyone seeking to increase their speed to market and productivity. In addition, being cloud-based, Share and Approve has no web deployment, no servers to maintain and keep updated, no need to provide for data security and backup scenarios, and the uptime of the service is guaranteed. Seamlessly integrated into ESCO Automation Engine, ESCO Studio, and Adobe Illustrator, what are you waiting for? To find out more about ESCO Share and Approve software, visit the website esco.com/share-approve.